Ever built a snowman and this happens? Ever built a snow fort and this happens? If you want to protect yourself against angry bird attacks, or just want to be the coolest kids in the neighborhood, here's how to build an igloo. Step 1. Choose a nice flat location. Step 2. Get some containers. Step 3. Start constructing bricks by compacting snow in the containers. Make sure the brick is smooth by either adding or scraping off snow where appropriate. Carefully remove the brick from its molding. Place your bricks in a circle. Now it's time to stack bricks on top of each other. Make sure they interlap, not like this, but like this. Once you've stacked 3 or 4 layers of bricks, it's now time to form the dome. Place the bricks slightly inward. This will ensure a strong, sturdy structure for the dome. Okay, at this point, you may want to put a friend inside. This way, he can begin shoring up the igloo from the inside to prevent it from collapsing. After a while of stacking, your igloo should begin to look like this. As we reach the top of the igloo, be extra careful to make sure none of the bricks fall in and collapse. Now place the last brick. The next step is to carve out a hole in your igloo. The final step is to decorate your igloo. This step is optional.
Oh wow, that's so missed.
Now to remove the snow block from its mold.
Fail.
Not like this, but like this.
Depressed. I failed.
Igloo depression.